Hi everyone, so this is what happened on our little get together and Charis's birthday party. Nandito ako ngayon sa tapat ng bahay ng aking kaibigan because we are going swimming today. Naisipan kong ayain sila after ng contest para mag-unwind and matagal na rin nung huli kaming gumala. Before kami pumunta ng resort ay bibili muna kami ng snacks namin dito sa 7-Eleven. After namin makakuha ng snacks ay pumunta na kami sa register para magbayad. After namin mamili ay nagtungo na kami agad sa resort. And we're here at Judai's Resort na matatagpuan sa Estancia Lingayen. This is me filling up our names para sa entrance fee. After mag-fill up ay dumiretso na agad kami sa may pool area. And this is what we bought. We got C2 and some rice meals. Before kami mag-swimming ay kumain muna kami dahil wala pa kaming almusal. After ilang minutes ay agad-agad na rin kami naligo to have fun at para masulit ng entrance. After namin mapagod kakalangoy ay nagduyan muna kami rito sa may swing set. And we also rented a karaoke. After we had lots of fun sa pool, ay nag-decide kami pumunta ng Labrador para bumili ng milk tea. After namin makabili, ay umuwi na rin kami agad because I'll be attending Charis's birthday later that afternoon. And we're here at Charis's 18th birthday. Medyo napaaga ata kami at nagsisidatingin pa lang ang mga bisita niya. And here comes the most awaited part, chibugan na! For my first meal, I don't know what this is called but it's delicious. For seconds, I got spaghetti, butchi, and Shanghai. And here we are minding our own businesses and enjoying our foods. At heto na ang talent portion ng event. After the celebration, naisipan namin pumunta ng dagat para mag-unwind and to record some clips. And this is us on our way to Estancia Beach. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung sunset. Ang ganda no, except sa banda dito. At nandito na tayo sa pangmalakasang Pine Tree Night Market ng Estancia. You can do lots of fun things here. Just for example, this one. At nandito na tayo sa ating destination. Habang nandito kami ay na-realize ko na life's too short. That's why as long as you can, spend some time with your loved ones or with someone close to your heart. And that's it for today. See you some other time.